Howdy folks, welcome back to the channel. As I continue working on the Buffalo Soldier, in this video I'm going to replace the screen on the hydraulic oil filter. I pulled it out a couple weeks back and I did try to clean it, but as I looked, there was a lot of gunk in there that didn't wash out. Ran through the parts washer, I had it with air and nothing, so I decided just to go ahead, get a new screen, replace it, maybe hold on to this one, see if I can clean it, and that way I always have a spare. But now let's go on and swap these out. It seems to be a pretty straightforward process. Just remove these 3 screws, this pops off, put the new one down on there, and screw it back together. Yeah, it's still pretty filthy compared to this one. So set that back in there. That seems to be a little bigger in diameter. Interesting. I guess this one has lost some of its elasticity. Or we can smush it back together. That is way bigger than the old one. I wonder if that's supposed to be like that. Now somewhere along the way, each of these perforations got spread out. So I'm going through now and smashing them back down closed to reduce the diameter of the screen, so it fits snugly around the canister and within the top. So let's go on and finish doing that. Now the top side. Now it's smaller in diameter that I've smashed all the coils back down. That's back on there. Line these up with the holes in the bottom. one. Two. Always one. Once it just give you a little trouble. Screw those down there snugly. Those nice and tight. Alrighty, now we can see through there a little better than previously. But that's it. Took all of 5 minutes, even less if the screen was right size. But again, there's the old one. I don't know if you can see all that gunk that's still in there. Like, they're still good. Just need to do a little thorough cleaning now that I have it out and disassembled. And knowing that I can stretch it and then condense it back, I would say I'll do a better job at cleaning it and keep it as a spare. Well, thanks for watching. Again, I have this is the hydraulic oil filter for the main hydraulics on the M936A2. We'll get this put back in. Thanks for coming to the channel. If you like what you see, subscribe and please come on back, as I got some more work to do before I get the Buffalo Soldier put on the road. Thanks, and we'll see you on the next one.